Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making roasted garlic mashed potatoes. For our ingredients, we have a head of garlic, olive oil, red potatoes washed and cut into quarters, salt, butter, half and half, and ground pepper. You want to place your potatoes in a large pot and cover with cold water. You want to add some salt and bring to a boil. We're going to simmer that for about 20 minutes or until fork tender. You want to drain and return your potatoes to the pot. We're going to add our butter and our half and half. We're going to add in our half and half. We're going to mash our potatoes. Then we're going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. We're going to mash our potatoes until the milk and the butter is incorporated and the potatoes are creamy and consistent with some lumps, just a little bit, along with the roasted garlic cloves. You want to be careful not to get the skin off the garlic into your mashed potatoes. So here I'm just taking my time and mashing out the garlic out of the roasted bulb. Here I am mashing with a whisk because it's easier for me. I like to mix it a little and then mash it to make sure that it becomes the consistency that I like. I know this part is kind of boring, but I left this part in so you can see the consistency on how the potatoes come together into mashed potatoes. I like a creamy, but a little bit of lumps of potato lumps in my mashed potatoes. Here we're going to add some chives. I thought I had fresh chives, but dry chives will do. It still turned out delicious. For our roasted mashed potatoes, and I added a little bit more salt and some more butter. We have made roasted mashed potatoes, and they turned out really delicious. We're going to garnish with fresh herbs and more butter and serve. We have made roasted garlic mashed potatoes. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.